Hi, I'm Art Speck, proud owner of a Freego Folder, an electric bike which folds to store in any small car. I can take the metro train the 25 miles to the airport, take the bike out and start pedaling home, or drive to anywhere in the country and enjoy the area by bike. There's so many e-bikes out now, you need some reference points to compare. Freego Electric Bikes are priced low with a good choice of models, reliability and amazing backup from the Freego company, who even set up a Facebook owners page. Who else does that? I'm a fan and recommend only Freego. Here's to Freego and to me cycling for another 20 years. Oh, did I mention the free 2-year warranty?